Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, April 7th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord and trading community, link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And don't forget to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So anyways, the US dollar yen is kind of, well, first of all, it made a big gap at the market open, which technically it still has not completely filled that gap right there. If you go all the way up to the higher time frames like the daily, the trend is definitely down. I mean, unless this thing turns up and breaks structure, I'm definitely bearish. I'm not even really convinced it's going to do that. I think even if it does go up, it's probably going to most likely just be a crutch into the downtrend. I think it's more likely that it will go down and take out the previous lows over here. So I am definitely very bearish the dollar and the dollar yen, obviously. But if we go down to the shorter time frames, we may be due for a pullback because it definitely has a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 look to it, definitely. So there's a good chance we are going to get some sort of a pullback. You know, this first push up with the break of structure could just be a wave A. This could be a wave B, and then maybe we do go up again for a wave C up to one of these three Fibonacci levels. Seems like a likely place. 61.8 would be that if it goes to the 61.8, that top would become a bottom, or this bottom would become a top, which seems like a really likely place to go. So I am definitely looking at any moves I see to the upside as potentially just a crutch into the downtrend. So if it does go up to a fib level, if it does turn down softly, I would definitely get out of my logs and I would definitely go short again for the continuation of the downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.